Good morning, everyone. On the occasion of the Republic Day, which we are celebrating today, the 72nd Republic Day, I want to wish everyone, the staff, the teachers, and the students of Usha Martin schools, a very happy Republic Day. And we hope to celebrate it every year this way only. Today, on the occasion, I am feeling very happy to see the teachers coming to the school, which was a nightmare and a dream, especially during 2020. The year 2020, which was there, was more like a nightmare, and nobody had expected that the things will be so bad that the schools will have to be closed down and everything will have to work from home. But 2021 has ushered us in a new era, and with the hope that the things will be back to normal very soon. After seeing the two vaccines which have come, which has brought a lot of hope, and we feel that we will get back to the old system what we used to have earlier. 2020 has taught us many things, and especially the will of the human being, the will of the people to circumvent all the difficulties which has come and still move forward. Like there is a saying, when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. So we saw in the case of schools also, where the teachers have gone all out to do their best to educate the children. The online method of teaching, which was never practiced earlier, became a reality during 2020, and everybody was found teaching through the online means. And everybody try to excel in that, and they have achieved to a greater extent. And the education, especially, I am quite satisfied by the quality of education which the teachers had provided in our schools, and we have been able to make full use of this time. I hope 2021 will bring us back to the schools very fast, and we will be again working the way we were doing. With all the best on our 72nd Republic Day, and with the hope of a brighter future in the coming time, I wish everybody a very happy Republic Day. Thank you.